If you are in a formal situation, you would usually say zdrastvuite. It comes from the word that means health in Russian, zdarovye, or zdravie, as people used to say before. And it means, I wish you to be healthy. I wish you health. Zdrastvuite. The first V here is silent. Zdrastvuite. Zdrastvuite. Try it out several times this way and you'll get it right. Sometimes instead of zdrastvuite, you may hear zdrasте or even zdrasте. It's more like a slang word, and it happens because of reduction of vowels in syllables. So it's good to recognize this word, but when speaking Russian, it's still better to say zdrastvuite. When you're greeting someone informally, you would usually say привет. Привет.